A very warm welcome to my dear students of class 10. This is Supriya ma'am and I am here to continue our first chapter of history. Historiography Development in the West. Traditions of historiography, historical writing and historian. Historical sources are critically examined and the past events are preserved in writing. The writing of critical historical narrative is known as historiography. A scholar who writes such a narrative is a historian. Today we are going to do 1.4 Notable Scholars. The contributions of many scholars are important in the development of historiography. Let us have a look at the contributions of the few notable scholars. Scholars. Our first notable scholar is Rene Descartes, 1596 to 1650. Rene Descartes was the foremost among scholars who insisted on verifying the reliability of historical documents by critically examining them. Among the rulers given by him in his book Discourse on the Method, the following is supposed to have a great impact on the scientific method of research: never to accept anything for true till all grounds of doubt are excluded. Rene Descartes. He is known as the father of modern Western philosophy. He contributed to mathematics as well as science, along with philosophy. Descartes laid the foundation of knowledge on the pillars of rationalism. His method is based on 4 rules. He bridged the gap between algebra and geometry. Discourse on the Method. Accept as true only what is undoubtable. Divide every question into manageable parts. Begin with simplest issues and ascend to the more complex. Review frequently enough to retain the whole argument at once. Then we have our second scholar, Voltaire, 1694 to 1778. Voltaire's original name was Francois Marie Arouet. He was French. He opined that, along with objective truth and chronology of historical events, considering social traditions, trade, economy, agriculture, etc., was also equally important in historiography. Voltaire's original name was Francois Marie Arouet. He was French. He opined that, along with objective truth and chronology of historical events, considering social traditions, trade, economy, agriculture, etc., was also equally important in historiography. It gave rise to the thought that understanding all aspects of human life is important for history writing. Thus, it is said that Voltaire was the founder of modern historiography. So the assignment for today is, children, write short notes on Rene Descartes. Voltaire. Answer the following. What did Rene Descartes insisted upon? Why is Voltaire said to be the founder of modern historiography? Hope you have understood the lesson. Take care, study, and complete your assignment. God bless you, children.